so distant, so unreal. You opened up a heart locked up by so many scars. Just wish to love again and heal. Your hand felt safe, I trusted, and our bodies answered summer's call. But it was like a dream, 'cause you were not with me just as I started to fall. At last, the rain came, but it's just another tear. I swear it's the last one, 'cause you're far away from here. I waited for a storm to wash my pain and set me free. At last, the rain came, but it won't be enough for me. At last, oh, at last, Your smile grew cold like ice, your words no longer nice. I felt unsure that you could feel the same. Was I the one to blame for being sincere too soon? The feelings I repressed now rise, tied to my chest like creepers they grow. They cloud and bind my mind in shadow left behind. I pray the sun will show.